Hello, everyone. I'm Fred Sweitzer. I'm the Provost of the University of Hartford. And we're so pleased that you're interested in us. Can't wait to have you on campus this weekend. An exciting array of activities waits for you here. Perhaps a visit to the Hersey Center, the brand new building for advanced health professions and engineering. Perhaps a visit to the Josoloff Gallery to see the latest art exhibition. A visit to our Center for Student Success, and much, much more. And wherever you go, there'll be students and faculty there to talk with you and to guide you on your way. Now, choosing a college, it's a big decision. It's probably the biggest decision that you've made so far in your life. And here's what I can tell you about the University of Hartford. If you come here, we're going to get to know you. We're going to get to know who you are as a person and as a learner. Second, we're going to challenge you. We're going to challenge you to learn and to grow in all the ways you hope for and some ways that you can't possibly imagine. Third, we're going to support you in whatever way we need to for you to achieve your goals, your educational goals, your personal goals. And finally, we're going to connect you with a community, a rich, vibrant, diverse community. A big part of success in life at the university are the relationships that you make. And we're going to do everything we can to get you connected in as many areas as possible. So enjoy your day, ask a lot of questions, and if there's anything I can do to be helpful as you make your decision, I hope you'll let me know. Thank you again for coming.